Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the tissue. Let's see about what is meant by tissue. Tissue is a group of a cell that possesses similar structure and perform specific function. There are mainly four types of the tissue. They are first epithelial tissue, second connective tissue, third muscular tissue, and fourth one is nervous tissue. Let's see one by one. First we are discussing epithelial tissue. All layer and the organs in the body are lined by the group of the tissue which commonly refer to the epithelial tissue, which is based upon the how many layers they are made up of. They are divided into the simple cone layer, then second stratified, which means more than one. Based on how they look, they divided into the squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and transitional. The epithelium contract and they relax as per needed. This type of the epithelium is found in the inner lining of the urinary bladder and the ureter. There are mainly two types of the epithelium tissue, that are simple epithelial tissue and second one is stratified epithelium tissue. In simple epithelial tissue, it includes the organ 3 types, that is squamous simple epithelial tissue, second cuboidal epithelial tissue, and third one is columnar epithelial tissue. In the function of the simple epithelial tissue are the protection. In protection, it protects the skin from the external environment. Absorption. Stomach. In absorption, there are include the stomach and the intestine. Third is filtration. Filtration need to filter the toxic substances from the blood. Connective tissue. Connective tissue is the tissue that connect or support or bind and or separate other type of the tissue. It bind together cell and organ of the body. Connective tissue fill the space inside our body, and with matrix made up of the fiber within a liquid solid jelly-like substances. It comprises bone marrow, ligaments, tendon, alveolar tissue, adipose tissue, and cartilage. Let's see the components of the connective tissue. In connective tissue, there are bone, ligament, tendons, areolar, adipose, bone marrow, etc. First, the blood. Blood. It is a fluid of the connective tissue that helps in the transportation of the gas, hormones, nutrient, as well as the elimination of the waste. Second, ligament and tendon. Ligament means connect the bone to the bone to form a joint. The tendon connect the bone to the muscles. Third is areolar. It is a loose connective tissue that can be seen in the that can be seen between the skin and the muscles in the bone marrow, as well as in around the blood vessels and the nerves. It fills the space between the different organs. Adipose. It is a loose connective tissue composed of the fat cell called as the adipocytes. Due to the storage of the fat, adipose tissue acts as an insulator. It provides the mechanical support, protection, that is padding, and the support around some of the organs of the kidneys. The organs, that is kidney. Then bone. It is a hard tissue from the skeleton. It is a vascular tissue that gives support to the body. Last one is cartilage. It is not a hard bone found in ear, nose, joints, etc. Now let's see the function of the connective tissue. Function, that is it connect the different organs and the tissues of the body through the ligament and tendons. Then it defends the body from the invasion by the microorganisms, that is the blood consists of the leukocytes, WBC, and macrophages responsible for the defense. Third one is a muscle tissue. Muscle tissue, it is made up of the excitable state that is responsible to the stimulus. All muscles have the four property, that is contractibility, that is shortness, excitability, that means the responsible to the stimuli. Then third one is elasticity, that is stretch, and fourth one is fibrous in nature. There are three types of the muscle tissue are found in the human body, that is cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, and smooth muscle. Let's say function of the musculars, that is it gives the posture and the body supports. Then move the blood four ways through or from the organs. Then it is responsible for the mechanical digestion, and it is responsible for the pumping of the blood through the body. Then fourth one is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, it is found in the nervous system, that is brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It consists of the cells called the neuron. The neuron have a specialized projection called the axon and the dendrites. Then the nervous tissue help in the transmit the information from the brain to the spinal cord. Then in brain cells to the body how to react. Function of the nervous tissue. The primary function of the nervous tissue is to receive the stimuli and send impulses to the spinal cord and brain. The brain sends the back response to the muscle via nervous system. Thank you.